Hello students of class 6. How are you all of you? This video is all about question and answers of chapter number 2. So first of all, you have to make title page of chapter number 2 like this. Working with Windows. Questions are on page number 36. So open page number 36. A. Answer the following questions. You can see 6 questions in part A. You have to write all 6 questions and its answers in your copy. Now let's start. Question number 1 is, what is Windows? Can your computer run properly without it? After this question, you add one more question. Name the different version of Windows. Answer is showing on your screen. In answer, first of all, you have to write heading of Windows and you write 3 lines. I am reading. Windows is an operating system that runs our computer. No, our computer cannot do anything without an operating system. After this, you have to write heading of different versions of Windows are. Point: Microsoft Windows 98, Microsoft Windows Me, Microsoft Windows 2000, Microsoft Windows XP, and Microsoft Windows Vista, Microsoft Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 8 and 8.1 and Microsoft Windows 10. That's it. All answers in your book except question number 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. इन तीनों क्वेश्चंस के आप स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले सकते हो. Remaining questions you mark on your book. Now question number 2. What is the use of a mouse? Answer is on page number 27. First of all, you write heading using the mouse. After this, you write one paragraph. The mouse is the most important input device. से आप कहाँ तक लिखोगे? Till line number 4 पे लिखा हुआ है and a wheel. You write 4 lines. Now you write you can perform the following function with a mouse. You write number 1 heading pointing. You write all 3 lines of pointing. Called pointing. यहाँ से when you move the mouse से लेके called pointing. Second heading clicking. Depressing the left hand button and releasing it called a click. After this double clicking, pressing से लेके double click is called double click. Turn the page. Page number 28. Right clicking. Clicking the right hand button once and releasing it called right clicking. It usually opens a menu. Last heading is dragging. Clicking and holding down the left hand mouse button and moving the mouse in same direction is called dragging. Answer is also showing on your screen. I am showing you copy work also. Now move on question number 3. Define a file and folder. How are they different from one another? Answer is on page number 31. First you write heading file. A file is a collection of data or information that has a name and can be stored on a storage device. That's it. After this, you write heading folder. A folder is a name given to a reserved location for data storage. It is used to contain files and subfolders. That's it. Answer is showing on your screen. I am also showing you copy work. How to write this answer in copy. Okay, now question number 4. Is it always possible to restore a deleted file or folder? Explain. Answer is also showing on your screen. I am reading it. Deleted files can be restored to their source location from the recycle bin. Full stop. But if we delete a file permanently, comma, then we can't restore the file. Full stop. This answer is not in your book, so you can also take a screenshot of this answer. Now question number 5. What functions are performed by the Windows? Here you can also write operating system. Performed by the operating system and performed by the Windows. You can write both. Now, answer number 5 is on page number 24. Open page number 24. First of all, you write heading functions of an operating system. After this, you write one line. The operating system performs a number of functions. Some of them are given below. In this page, you can see 8 functions of operating system. But in this answer, you write only 5 functions of operating system. इन 8 में से आपको जो भी 5 easy लगे, you can write. Answer is showing on your screen. You write answer like this. Question number 6. Write down short keys for cutting, copying, or pasting a file or folder. Answer is showing on your screen. Cut. The way of cutting file or folder we use CTRL plus X. Copy. To the way of copying file or folder we use Control CTRL plus C. Paste. The way of pasting file or folder we use Control plus V. In short form control को हम कहते हैं CTRL. You can also take a screenshot of this answer. Done? Students, after this you add one more question. Write down the extension of the following application. First you draw one line at the center of the page. On first column you write application and second column you write extension. This answer is also on page number 31. You can also write answer from book page number 31. Done? .docx, Microsoft Word, .xls, Microsoft Excel, .jpg,